Hello friends, greetings. Welcome to How to Learn channel. This is AI Learn stream. Today in this video this is going to be a very quick video. I know we've been seeing videos of length 2 hours and so on, but I don't want a lengthy video like my previous video or so on. And this will be a very quick video. I was actually working on another lengthy video, but I found something interesting. I thought I share with you guys, so you may also get benefit from it. So I'm going to show you one of the productivity improvement option from AI tools, for instance Gemini, where we do a reverse engineering to generate a DDL of a table from the description of the table. So the thing is, I actually got the description of a table from a online blog. For example, this online blog, blogs.oracle.com, and I was reading something. I just got the description of the table. I don't have the actual table definition. So I wanted to generate the actual table definition. How can I do it? I can manually write this table definition. It's very easy. Create table and then you just put all the same syntax and a comma. It should finish in no time. You can do that. But at the same time, you can also use AI tools, and that will also help you to validate whether AI tool is doing the job better or not. So that's the test scenario today we are going to do. You see here the objective. I have a table description available, but I need to generate the table DDL for the same. I can manually write it. Ideally, it will take 10 to 15 minutes, but using AI tool, we should be able to generate it in no time. I just tested it. I just thought I share with you. Table 1 description of the employees table. Table 2 is audit employee. So the audit employee table is going to store the information about the DML changes happening on the table, which is employees. So all I need to do is go to Gemini. See, I already generated it. So this is in no canvas mode. I'm going to show you with canvas as well as no canvas. Let's see. So give me the prompt. So please generate the DDL for. So this is in no canvas mode. Oh, since I already had canvas mode open, just generating it. All right, anyway, let's see. So create table, employees. So it automatically recognizes that I'm generating for employees. Employee ID number of 6, first time, varchar 220, and comma, last name, varchar 25 null. Okay, not null. Email not null, varchar 225, not null. Phone number, varchar 220, and a hire date not null. Date, job ID, varchar 210, not null. Salary number 8, number 2. Manager ID 6, department ID 4, vacation balance 6.2. So this is all looking good. This is my DDL for the first table. So second one, this is doing in canvas mode, but you can normally get it in the prompt response as well. So this is easy to manage, isn't it? So otherwise you'll get it in the same prompt on the left side. Let's now ask one more thing, please. Please, generate DDL for. Let's see. See here, it's changing it. It's updating this canvas. It takes a minute. It got it. So odd who, varchar 220, odd when, date, odd operation, varchar 2 of 1, odd module, varchar 2 of 30, employee ID number 6, and first name 20, last name 25. So email, last name, phone, and then hire date, job ID, email, last name, email, hire date, and job ID are not now. Yeah. Salary, vacation balance. Oh, okay, so this also looks good. Just share, copy this, output. So this is good, isn't it? So I don't need this. That's how I wanted to share, guys. Whether it works fine or not, that's one other thing we need to check, isn't it? All right, just bear with me for a minute. Okay, so Right. Start the database and try creating the table. I'll just create it in the user just to see if the command is correct. Why will we create a table of incorrect syntax? Let's validate the syntax. Yeah, table got created. And this, I think in future maybe Oracle will also come up with the same method. So tables where table underscore name and employees and audit employees. And if I do describe of employees, are they matching? I paste here employee ID, first name, employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, job ID, salary, manager ID, department ID, vacation balance. Yeah, everything is matching. Similarly, let's do the other one, audit employees. Right, let's do this comparison. After the table is created, odd who, odd when, odd operation, odd module, employee ID, first name, last name, email, phone number, hire date, job ID, salary, manager ID, department ID, vacation balance. All right. Yeah, everything else is matching from the top to bottom. This looks cool. Thanks, guys. This is all I wanted to share. So, test success. This is it. Success. We generated the DDL using Gemini. Generated the DDL from table description using Gemini. So that's it, guys. So that's it about this video. I hope you really like this video. If you really like, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to How to Learn channel. And please do share with your friends and also leave your valuable feedbacks on the comment section. Thank you, and I'll anyway put this in my blog as usual. Thank you. Bye.